Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to deal, let me just repeat that. We're going to deal with assignment 0, and the assignment, this is the same in directions as assignment 1, but you're going to solve this system, then this system, and then the third one I want you to consider solving is this. Here is the third system. Here's number 3. 0x plus 0 times y plus 0 times z equals 0. Okay, this is the same, this is equivalent to 0 equals 0. So you have a linear system with 3 variables, x, y, and z, and your equation is 0 equals 0. So you want to solve this equation for x, y, and z. It's a little bit weird, you know, but here, but think of this equation as this equation here. If I gave you this, I'd have to tell you I had 3 variables, x, y, and z. So what does it mean to solve an equation? It means to find all the values that make this equation true. Right? So you have to find you have to write down every triple of values that makes this equation true. Now, then once you find those values, you want to write them as a set of vectors. So this is really a problem of realizing what the solution is, and then how do I convert that into a set of vectors? So that's going to be number 3 here. So for the rest of the time, I want you to work on this, and you can even if you get licks up, you could solve them on paper, then translate to licks, but you could easily just sort of solve it in licks by going through step by step, and sometimes that's actually easier than doing it on paper. Once you get used to it. So this is just a trial run to get you to sort of see. And what you can do is then, if you the people who are online, of course, you can just screen share, and if you guys who are here also logged on to Zoom, then you could share your screen so I could look at what you were doing. And what I can also do is turn this off so you can share with me without you can share individually. You don't have to worry about your, like online. I just turned the overhead projector off. So if you share your screen with me, you're not sharing it with the whole class. I mean, that's not necessarily a bad thing, but I don't want to force you to do that. Shruti?
Can I ask you about, when you're talking about row operations, is a usual row operation to simply just multiply one whole row
With a number.
but with like a number without adding it to another, let's say?
Yes. So for example, one row operation here you could do is multiply the first row by 2, right?
Yeah.
Then you could just multiply the first row by 2. Then the second row operation would be add row 1 plus row 2. So you can divide it up in pieces. And some, like for example, the second one here. Let me just. If you had, let's say you had like 2x and 3x, you could multiply the first row by 3 and the second row by 2, so that the product was the same in the both things, and that would be one way to avoid fractions. So it's also, if you don't have licks installed, then I can help you. Now's a good time. So I can help you with that if that's an issue. So you guys online, Catherine, Jay, and Ramiz, are you guys okay? Okay. Well, if you get stuck or if you have questions you want me to check, then let me know. Let me see, export as PDF. Okay, the notes that I made, I just put them on Piazza under the class videos and notes segment. So if you want to do that.